Hello and welcome to this video. Um, in this video today, we'll show you a tool from Ruwaq design, which is called Vanish and Replace. Let's see what it does. It's pretty simple. Maybe you have ready-made room image or rendered image, but that where you want to quickly remove or replace something, you can do so with this tool. So here we are uploading an image of a living room, and this is our living room. For example, if you have rendered this one, maybe you don't want this. What is this? This piece on the table, and you have this ready and you want to erase this quickly. You can do so with selecting the brush size. You can just create a mask on it, right? You can increase the brush size or decrease it with the slider, and you have to save the mask, and then you click on erase selected area. Now with the help of AI, you can remove the things that you don't want in a rendered image. And here it is, our output. As you can see, the thing is not there anymore. This, you can use this one for quickly reviewing different versions of your renderings with your client. You can just download your result. This image comes, you can of course download with save image as the option. Another tool that we want to show you is this. Let me design Copilot, right? So here, this is AI remodeling tool. We you can, for example, we have 3D remodeling tool, which is CAD to 3D furnishing, and now this is 2D. You have to upload your room image, and you zoom in. You can move the image with the hand tool, and here, for example, you want something in this photo, maybe a table, all right. So here we select our brush tool and we try to draw a table. Okay, maybe just give me a second. We have to increase the brush width a bit, and we try to draw a table here. This is for quick idea generation or different versions of idea checking. So now we want this table to be rendered through AI. You can click that, and we can write to create a table replacing the hand-drawn table on the left side of the bed to fully render the room image as it is with the new table. So let's see what AI does. And here you can select the steps. This is actually how this is actually the quality selection slider here. So if the lesser the steps of generation, the less accurate representation of your prompt, and the higher quality is, of course, on the higher number of steps dependent. So we want to keep it somewhere here. Let's see, 415. And this tool, since it is regenerating your whole image with the furniture or piece that you have drawn in the photo, so it will take some time, and we'll pause the video until it is complete. So let's click on generate render. Now it is rendering. It will take some time, and we will wait. And I'm coming back, and we have our image with the table. As you can see here, the AI created a table. It's the room that you uploaded with a new table where you have drawn something. So you can draw things like a television, anything. Like, it has to be a proper representation of the shape and the prompt. It's also depending on the prompt that you're using to generate stuffs. So yeah, that's it about this video. We have seen two tools here: Sketch to Render and Design Copilot. By the way, in the Design Copilot, here you can have many tools, like you can draw lines, arrows, this type of curves, squares, and polygons, all of these things. And you can duplicate, you can apply the stroke colors, all of these things, right? And if you want to place in the grid, you can select the grid as well. So this is Design Copilot. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to see you in the next one. Bye bye.